Want to save $10,000 in just 1 year? Stick around because this plan is not only achievable but also life-changing. Hello, welcome to FinTune YouTube channel, your one-stop destination for mastering personal finance and building wealth. Today, we're diving into a powerful step-by-step plan to help you save $10,000 in 1 year. Yes, you heard it right, $10,000. So grab a notebook because we're about to unlock some real financial wisdom. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to FinTune, and share it with your friends because saving money is a skill everyone should master. First things first, set your goal. Divide $10,000 by 12 months. That's about $834 per month, or roughly $28 a day. Break it into smaller, achievable milestones like saving $250 every week. Smaller targets keep you motivated. You can't save if you don't know where your money is going. For 1 month, track every dollar you spend. Use apps like Mint or even just a notebook. This will show you the areas where you're overspending and where you can cut back. Now let's talk budgeting. The 50/30/20 rule is a great place to start. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. To save $10,000, you might need to tweak this rule. Try putting 30% towards savings and cutting down on wants. This step is a game changer. Do you really need that daily $5 coffee? Brewing at home can save you around $150 a month. Cancel unused subscriptions, cook more meals at home, and look for free or low-cost alternatives to entertainment. If cutting costs isn't enough, focus on earning more. Start a side hustle, like freelancing, selling handmade items, or driving for a rideshare service. Even an extra $200 a month can make a big difference toward your savings goal. Automation is your best friend. Set up a direct deposit that moves a fixed amount into your savings account every payday. Out of sight, out of mind. This makes saving effortless. Negotiate bills like rent, insurance, or phone plans. Shop for discounts and use cashback apps. Saving even $50 a month on big expenses adds up to $600 a year. Saving $10,000 requires consistency. Stay disciplined, but don't forget to reward yourself occasionally for hitting milestones. This will keep you motivated and on track. And there you have it, a clear, actionable plan to save $10,000 in just 1 year. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow. If you found this video helpful, give a big thumbs up, subscribe to FinTune for more financial tips, and share this video with anyone who's ready to take control of their finances. Let's grow together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Stay smart, stay tuned to FinTune.